Hello everyone, I am going to demonstrate a complete gym management system. We are on the login screen. Enter all the credentials required to sign in. Now we are on the dashboard. Select your language, your branch, and here you will get all your data. Whatever you have done, track your today's work, track total attendance. You can see the what you have done this month here. If you want to check the summary, you can also see the summary here. Financial member summary. Product of sales complete data can also be tracked here. As you can see, it is clearly showing your complete data on your dashboard, which make it easy to manage and access, and other details such as POS profit, total profit, and transaction details, etc. Now let's move towards the branch section. In this section, if you want to add any branch, you can click on Add Branch and create a new branch by filling all the required credentials, and your new branch will be added. If you want to search any branch, you can click on Show Filters and search your branch easily. Next is the masters. First is Package Period section. All your package periods will be shown here. To add any new period, click on Add Period and create a new one. If you want to search any package, you can easily search here. Now move to the package group. Same thing for package group section, and if you want to add new package group, just add by filling all the required data and search already existing groups just in a click. Now next is package section. To add a new package, just click on Add Package and fill all the package related information and your new package will be added. All your existing packages will be shown here. Now let's move to the batch section. If you want to add any batch, you can click on Add Batch and just fill all the required fields like name, description about the batch, select trainer, time, and so on, and click on the Create button, and in just a click your new batch will be created. And to also search, click on the Show Filter and search any batch instantly. Now let's move to the payment mode section. If you want to add new payment modes like UPI, cash, you can add it here and they will be saved in your list. Next is the occupation section. Here you can add the occupation for all the members of your gym or fitness center, which makes it super convenient for you to. Now moving to the tax section. If you want to include any tax in your member fees, you can click on Add Tax and add a new tax will be applied here. You can also search it using the Show Filter option. Just enter tax and you can easily find what you want. Next comes the log type section. Here you can manage check-in and check-out types. You can add new entries as well and track members' login status, search records. Now let's move to the employee field. In this we have the department. Here you can add the department of any employee and you can also search it using the Show Filter option. List of all the employees and along with their department will be shown. Now next is the designation field. If you want to set the designation or position of your employees, you can click on Add Designation and fill in all the required information to assign a designation. Next is the employee section. Here you can see the list of all your employees and manage them easily. If you want to add a new employee, you can click and fill in all the required information given below like name, role, email ID, and contact number. Different country ID option is also available. We have different fields like gender, marital status, blood group also in case you need it, and then other information like department, designation, joining date, and assigned branch. After selecting all these details, you can create a new employee and the data will appear in the list below. You can also search any employee easily by their department or designation or fill any field to find. Now moving to the role and permission section. Here you can define what roles and permissions each employee has. You can control access for different permissions or access to some common fields and body measurements of your members so that employees can handle them easily. You can provide dashboard access, branches management access. Just click on any access you want to give. Master access can also be provided to some employees if needed, so that they can handle everything. Employee-related roles and permissions are also available, so that employees can manage members easily. You can give access to diet plans, workout management, and exercises. Leads permissions are there for managing inquiries, inquiry types, and follow-ups. You can also provide members and membership-related permissions to manage packages easily. Attendance-related permissions are available for both employees and members. Finance and expense permissions can also be assigned, along with many other options. You can enable or disable permissions as needed, and the employee will only have access to the features you allow. Now click on Add, and your selected permissions will be assigned to that employee. To search, just click on Show Filters, enter the name, and find what you are looking for. Now let's move to the Diet section. Here you can add food items for diet management, so that your members can follow a proper diet. You can create custom diet plans based on members' requirements and assign them accordingly. Add days and assign targets as per your plan. Manage food items, food quantity, and calories, everything based on your diet plan, all in one place. Just click on Submit, and your new diet plan will be added. Next is Workout Plan. You can plan your workout sessions and schedules. Manage exercise items like weights, repetition, duration, etc., and submit to add in your list. Next is Exercise section. Add new exercises of your choice by entering their names. Leads section. We have inquiry type. You can add different types of inquiries. Then we have the inquiry field. To add a new inquiry, you can fill all the required details like category, package, offers, and other related information. You can also add follow-up details and create a new inquiry. Next is Inquiry Category, where you can categorize inquiries. You can easily manage and track follow-ups as well. To search, click on Show Filters and search any category. Then comes the Follow-up section, where you can add follow-up details based on inquiries. You can easily manage and track follow-ups. Now moving to the Member section. Here you can manage all members. You can see total members, live members, expired members, blocked members, and so on. To add a new member, just fill all the required information like name, number, gender, DOB, and other details. Then add package details, tax selection, with tax or without tax, and all membership-related information. Select the member's batch as well. Add payment details like amount, time, payment mode, received by, next pay date, and other required information. Also fill the date details, and your member will be created. Next is Membership section. Here you can renew or add on member packages. To add on a new members package, just click on Add-ins and add members' complete details, package-related details like which package, fee, discount, tax or without tax, batch, similarly payment details such as amount, date, time, and so on, and date-related details and then add. After that, if a member's package is expired, you can renew it easily by selecting members' details such as package, fee, discount, tax or without tax, batch, and updating payment details and date. Next is membership freeze option. If a member is inactive or needs to be paused, you can freeze their membership easily in no time. This is the best method to freeze a member's package. Just click on Submit and your member's package will be frozen. After that, there is a list of all the expired package members. Click on Expired, all the expired packages will be displayed. If you want to search for a particular package, you can easily search here Attendance section. Here you can track or manage members' attendance. You can also manually add attendance for members. Click on Add, fill the details and then Submit. The same process will be applied to track or manage employees' attendance. Add employees' attendance manually same as member. We also have biometric attendance, where attendance is recorded using biometric device for both members and employees, which are easy to track and manage. Next is QR attendance, where members and employees can mark attendance using QR scanning. Now moving to the finance section. Here you can manage all receipts and payments. If you want to add a new receipt, just click on Add, fill in the details, and add your new receipt. You can also check your remaining balances that you need to collect. Next is the expenses section. Here you can manage expense categories. Add expenses based on their categories and track all expenses with full details. Next is expenses. Here you can add new expenses easily and track all the expenses. Now moving to product and POS section. Here you can manage products and add new products also. Similarly, to manage your product customers, it is very convenient to handle. Moving to suppliers, all your suppliers will be tracked here and you can add new suppliers as well. Let's talk about purchases and payments now. Track your product purchases, add new purchase entries here, fill all the product related details and payment details and your purchase will be added. You can also generate a receipt. Next, supplier payment. All your supplier related data is here, easily add new supplier payments easily. Handle POS invoices, you have an add payment option to add a new payment. Similarly, in sales, you can track your sales related data and add new sold products. Next, let's go to product stock to track the stock of all products. POS expenses are also very easy to track, manage, and add new expense categories related to products. We have POS expense category, which defines the categories of your expenses, and you can add new ones as well. Next is the support section, where you can create your own new ticket and manage or track it easily without any worry. In quick links, we have reminders, where you can add your own new reminder. You can also set reminder details like date and time. Next is activities. You can add your own activity from here. Any activity you want, you can add. And lastly, notifications. Create your own notification format and send updates to members and employees easily. Last, in the backup section, you can download all your data as a backup. Thank you.